Looking for the best Rowenta steam iron? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Rowenta steam iron on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Rowenta Eco Intelligence 1700. 1700 watts of power and 180 grams per minute of steam production quickly remove wrinkles from fabric. 3 settings: dry for steam-free ironing, boost for extra steam, and eco for energy savings without loss of steam power. Contoured handle is comfortable to hold. Superior Rowenta performance and all the features you've come to expect from this quality manufacturer, but 25% lower energy consumption than other steam irons makes this model a winner. None to speak of, but a few customers say the iron leaked when used. At number 2. Rowenta Focus 1700. 1700 watts of power and 100 grams per minute of steam production smooth away even stubborn wrinkles with ease. The iron shuts itself off if tipped or left in position for too long, and the large dial control for fabric settings is simple to use. Many of the features of the pricier Steam Force self-cleaning system, 400 micro holes on a stainless steel sole plate, superb performance, but at a lower price make this a steal. A great choice for the frequent ironer. Some customers complained the iron stopped working after a year or so. At number 1. Rowenta Everlast. Equipped with 400 micro steam holes for even distribution across fabrics. Advanced safety feature offers 3-way auto shut-off after 8 minutes of inactivity. No need to struggle with excess water or drips given its leak-free design. Thermostat knob is accessible and totally user-friendly. By far one of the most efficient and cleanest options around, especially with an advanced anti-calc system. Considered the ultimate self-cleaning model by many consumers. There's a bit of a learning curve when it comes to using anti-calc features. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.